Hello children, welcome to physical education class. Today we are going to see about shot put. What we learned about last class? Are you remember? Yes, hurdles. In hurdles, many things we learn now. Today we are going to learn about shot put. First we are going to see about history of shot put. Whatever game we are going to see, we have some history for that game. Now we are going to see the history of shot put. Come, let us move with history. Shot put competition were recorded in early 19th century in Scotland and were part of British Amateur Championship beginning in 1866. It was a part of British Amateur Championship in the beginning of 1866. Shot put was an original modern Olympic event. See children, there are two Olympic games are there. One is ancient Olympic and another one is modern Olympic. So, shot put is the modern Olympic event. In ancient Olympic, there is no shot put event. In that, American Robert Garrett is a winner of the Athens Games in 1896. Come, let us go with shot put sector. And this is shot put sector. In this circle only, we have to throw the shot put to the ground. Now, the diameter of the shot put sector is 2.135 meters. The diameter of the shot put sector 2.135 meters. Here, one extension line is there, no? And the measurement of the line is 0.75 meters. And then the length of the shot put ground is length of the shot put sector 20 meters. Length of the shot put sector 20 meters. Angle of the shot put sector is 34.92 degree. Angle of the shot put sector 34.92 degree. And then here width of the shot put sector is 12 meters. It's not compulsory we have to keep 12 meters. We can extend this line what much we have. Like that we can extend the shot put sector. This is called the foul line. We can extend the foul line 12 meter. Even if you want 14 can extend the 14 meter or 18 meter like that. Next, we come to the weight of the shot put. Here, two categories, men and women categories are there. For men category, weight of the shot put 7.26 kilogram. Weight of the shot put for men 7.26 kilogram. And the diameter of the shot put 11 centimeter to 13 centimeter. For women, weight of the women shot put 4 kg. Diameter of the women shot put 9.5 centimeter to 11 centimeter. And stop board is there. We have to throw the shot before the stop board. Length of the stop board 1.22 meters. And width of the stop board 11.2 centimeter in middle. I showed here. This is the shape of the stop board, and the length of the stop board is 1.22 meter. Width of the stop board here in between curve shape is there. This curve, how it came means, this is the shot put sector circle. So here they will place the starboard. Before the starboard only we have to stand and have to throw the shot put. So the length of the starboard is 1.22 meters and width of the starboard in middle it was curved, no? So in middle 11.2 centimeter, at the end of the starboard 30 centimeter. Then we are going to see about the shot put. See children, this is the iron shot put. And different categories we saw, no? So different categories, they have different cage. Men they have different weight and women they have different weight. We already saw there in the theory part. And next one, how to throw the shot put. How to throw the shot put. We are going to see about the how to throw the shot put. First we have to hold the shot put in neck, under the chin and side of the chin and near the neck we have to hold the shot put. And then strong foot should be down and supporting foot should be raised up. And third step, like this pose we have to do. If we extend like this only, we will get some extreme force. Then again we have to come to this position. Then these trees are there. How to throw and release the shot put. Like this we have to release the shot put. After throwing the shot put, this throwing action must be, follow through action must be there. So like this method only we have to throw the shot put. First one and second, third one, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, and this is the last one and he is doing the follow through action. Shot put should be go up, then it should come down. If you raise the height of the shot put, we will get more distance. So only the shot put was in the height. Next we are going to see the player, one who win the Asian Games. He got gold medal in Asian Games. He is one of the Indian player. His name was Tejendra Pal Singh Toor. Tejendra Pal Singh Toor. He won gold medal in Asian Games. Next we are going to see Hello children, now we are in our school campus in ground. Now we are going to see the shot put field. The length of the shot put field we saw already in smart board 20 meters and width of the shot put, minimum width of the shot put field is 12 meters. Now we are going to see about how to hold the shot put and how to throw the shot put along with follow through action. Come, let us see. Now, our physical education department, PT sir, will show how to hold the shot put. Like this only we have to hold the shot put. Shot should not touch in the palms. We should keep the shot put near neck. Now he will show how to throw the shot put.
இருங்க
See children, after throwing the shot put, the athlete should not come this side. I mean, should not cross the half of the circle, front half of the circle. This is called foul, and this is also foul. They should come back and turn over. Then they have to move to their place. Then we are going to see which one is a correct throw and which one is a wrong throw. If the shot placed here, this was correct throw, we can take the measurement. But if the shot was placed here, it was foul. They never take the measurement. Within the foul line, the shot must be thrown. If it is like this, means on the line is correct. They will take the measurement. See, these are the simple things we have to follow in shot put. Okay children, are you remember what are the things we taught now? Yes, keep it in your mind, and whenever you are getting chance to throw the shot put, use these rules and do well. Thank you children. Have a nice day.